Hello, welcome to Wiring Products. Today we're going to wire up an indicator light. We are going to use 16 gauge primary wire again. The first we strip off the jacket. You don't need to strip off very much actually. About half of the center metal part in your butt splice, you need about half of that. So I pull mine off. It just gives me, untwist it, slide it in. You don't crimp in the center, you crimp off center. Squeeze. There you go. Then you take the indicator light, and these are going to be too long. Both of them are too long. So I trim it. And you want it to be about half the length of that. Okay. Take your crimper. Squeeze, and you're halfway there. Okay, so that one is together, and put that to the side. When you're working on your car, that's going to just be hanging out. You're not going to be able to put it to the side. But because we're doing it this way, now I'm going to work on the other. We're just going to repeat. We're doing exactly the same thing for the other side. We're going to trim this up. Put it in the other end. And then crimp this side, and you have a complete connection. And there you go. Just for fun, we thought that we would light it up for you. We cut the wire, we stripped one side of the jacket, we're going to strip the other side of the jacket. Ready? Ta-da! And that is how you hook up an indicator light. Thank you for visiting Wiring Products.